What's up guys, I'm Dave, and in this video I'll show you how I built a 16-core Threadripper workstation into this 4U rack chassis. Threadripper was first released in August of 2017 and was AMD's value proposition against Intel's current flagship, a $2,000 18-core CPU. By contrast, the Threadripper 1950X had 16 cores and was priced at just $1,000. Why would you want to use Threadripper to build a server? Well, even more than a year on, first-gen Threadripper is still really powerful. If you need a lot of cores but you don't have a ton to spend, this platform can do the job. The value per core is undeniable, and unlike Intel's high-end desktop options, Threadripper allows you to use ECC memory without paying the premium for their server parts. If you use Intel and needs ECC memory, you'll have to have a Xeon system to enable that feature. At the time of filming, the value is even greater because you can get a Threadripper first-gen 1950X for as low as $600 right now. Check the description below for links to parts in this build, and let's get started. So that's the Threadripper server build. One quick note if you're interested in building a system like this. You really shouldn't buy a Vega Frontier Edition. It has more memory than a Vega 64, but the GPU is otherwise the same, and worse yet, the fan speed is limited to a max of 40%, which really limits your cooling options. You'll be stuck turning up your case fans higher and higher and higher as you put a greater and greater workloads on the card. AMD could unlock this feature with a driver update in the future, but I'm not really sure if they will. If you want to build an all AMD workstation, you can get near identical performance from a Vega 64. That's it for me, so hit like if you enjoyed the build, and get subscribed to see more custom systems coming soon. Catch you in the next one.